today for another video. I really need to do something for my scalp because it's just been feeling super dry, like more dry than normal. And I'm not having dandruff, it's just dry and itchy. So, I have very rarely done PrePoos. I don't mind a hot oil treatment here and there. So, we are going to do a hot oil treatment. I'm kind of going to throw together a random concoction of oils and mix them together, and I'm gonna go and I'll show you guys what exactly I do here. Okay, so for my PrePoo, I am going to, this is kind of experimental, you guys. I haven't done a PrePoo in forever, and I really haven't done one with hot oil in a while. So I'm just going to take a couple of different things. I really want to kind of stimulate my scalp. I'm not having any issues with dandruff. It's just been feeling really, really dry lately. And so I know I definitely want to include some peppermint oil in the treatment. I have a blend of kind of like an aryuvedic oil blend in here. There's different things like moringa, turmeric, curry. There's all kinds of stuff in here. There's some argan oil. So I'm going to add that. This is my container. And you can find these pretty cheap. These are like the little travel size container that come in like a pack. You can find at Walmart. Pretty sure you can find some in the beauty supply store as well. I'm going to got my little spoon here to measure. I kind of like to eyeball things. I don't do a lot of measuring, but I'm going to take like a teaspoon of each and add it to my bottle. So I did start off with some refined coconut oil. I'm going to take a couple of drops of peppermint oil. This definitely, that was a lot. This definitely will kick it up a notch as far as stimulating my scalp. Some Jamaican black castor oil. This is a go-to in my house. Like, I prefer to always have this. If I don't have anything else, I need this on hand. So I'm just eyeballing this, but if you want a more exact measurement, I would just kind of go in tablespoon measuring device. I can't remember what it's called, but you know what I'm talking about. Also going to take some drops of this Mango Magic Growth Oil from Lavishly Naturals. I've been enjoying using this lately. As you can see, there's a lot of good herbs in there. There's some fenugreek, and there's jojoba oil, shea butter. There's some tea tree oil in here as well. A couple of drops is this as well. Probably about a tablespoon total. So we've got everything in there, and the base for this is actually going to be the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. I've used this a couple of times. I've used it even to use on the body, as it says, in place of lotion. I don't typically use traditional lotion. I like natural organic natural organic body butters and oils. So I'm going to use this, and this has got decent ingredients. The only thing on here is that it has a ton of fragrance in it, which I don't care for, but I'm not leaving this on my hair, just kind of doing it for the purposes of being a carrier for the rest of these oils. And so I'm going to add that, and then we are ready to go. This is also pretty inexpensive. It's like $2.99 at Walgreens, and you get a decent amount of oils in there. So I think it's great to use as a carrier oil. If you don't have this, I prefer not to use this because of the fragrance in it. I would just go for something like a olive oil instead. And because of the coconut oil that was solidified in there, you can put it in a little hot water bath, so it can melt down with everything else, and you're ready to go. on top of my head. If you are having issues with your crown being more difficult to moisturize or feeling drier than the rest of your hair and scalp, this is one of the things recommended to do, is to kind of, when you deep condition or do anything like a hot oil treatment, keep your hair up on top of your head. What happens with gravity is that the oils that are generated on top of your scalp usually slide down because of gravity, and sometimes they slide down so well that you lose a lot of the moisture or natural sebum that we produce from the top of our head, and that could also cause the feeling of more dryness, or making that area feel a little less manageable than the rest of your hair. So try to remember to keep your hair up on top of your head once you are ready to put your deep conditioning cap on, and see if that makes a difference. Alright, you guys, so I am going to tie my hair with this, and I'll be back in about 20 minutes. I'll let you see what the PrePoo is looking like and feeling like. I'm already feeling the peppermint tingling sensation happening right now, and it does feel nice and cool and wonderful. So looking forward to this. I'll be back when this is ready to rinse out. Okay, I'm back. All of my scalp is fully tingling now. I wanted to really let it sit in there so that would happen first. And it feels nice and cool, actually. Hair feels moisturized, a little greasy, but moisturized. I think it feels good. Gonna rinse this out really quick, get ready for the rest of my wash day. I will be right back. Everything definitely has penetrated my hair strands, which is what I was hoping to have it do. Okay, I'm all rinsed out. Let you guys have a look. My hair feels good. I don't feel like my scalp is as clear as I was expecting it to be, but maybe once I do the shampoo part of my wash day routine, then it will feel better. I'll let you guys know. I am trying new products, so stay tuned for that. So the next video will be my shampoo with new products, and we'll see if my scalp feels a little bit better with that. I still have the tingling sensation everywhere, but the crown area, which is what I was really trying to improve, kind of feels the same. And I just rinsed twice and added a hot oil treatment and rinse it out, and it still seems like it's unaffected. So will I keep doing the PrePoo, or is it just another extra unnecessary step? I have to figure that out. But I wanted to keep it real with you guys and let you know. So far, it feels nice, but I don't know if it's something I would just do before a whole wash day, or maybe it's something I would do in between wash days. Because right now I'm not noticing any extra effects except that my hair feels a little softer. My ends feel softer. So we'll see. Let me finish wash day and I'll let you guys know. Alright, so anyways, thank you for tuning into this video, clicking on this video. If it is your first time joining me, I appreciate you. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Hey, you are now a natural beauty. Welcome to the fam. And if you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have some suggestions for any additional videos you'd like to see, I'm always open. Please make sure you hit that like, and if you find this helpful, please feel free to share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine.